Okay. Hi everyone. We're back live. And wow, it has been taking our team a bit longer than expected to actually go through all the submission. And it's because there has been just so much participation that we were hoping for, but we've never done this before. So we were maybe not as ready to handle, but it's been really exciting to see all the submissions and all the questions, both about programming and about engineering. And so what we're going to do now is that we started to post the submissions in the competition channel, but right now no one has the right to actually vote for anything yet. So right now, you can't put sort of emoji votes onto the pictures yet. We'll keep posting all the submissions in the next few minutes, and then we'll be opening up the voting after that. So while we are on to that, I was just going through some of the submissions. And so what I'm planning to do is actually show you some of them on the imagiCharm and actually show some of the submissions in the app as well, so we can run through them. And then if you remember, our team was going to pick out two winners as well. So one for the most creative and then one for the most complex code. So we'll do that too. But okay, so now I'm just going to be randomly picking out a few projects and showing you those while we're waiting for the submissions to be uploaded in the competition challenge so that we can start voting. So for this, I will actually show again my phone screen, and then we can look at some of the projects together. So for that, I'm going to set up my phone screen share. There we are. Okay. So again, I have the app up and running, and I'm just going to pick out some of the submissions. So for example, right here, we see this female sign, which actually used all the concepts that we covered in Project 1 during the lesson. So what I can see here is that different pixels indices are using different colors, so they've been assigned different colors. So what I'm going to do now quickly is to get an imagiCharm and actually upload this coding project. So let's take a look. And I have yellow 57 imagiCharm right here. And there you are. I uploaded the project. Awesome. Thank you so much for this submission. I'm just going to pick out two more. For example, let's look at one. Wow, there's so many complex ones. I want to start with one that's not an animation. But let's see, there's a fire. Okay, so this is similar concepts. This is interesting because I can't really know just by looking at the pixel art what are the concepts going to be used, but I'm looking for something that would perhaps use a for loop. Oh, there we are, perfect. So there is an orange, and you can see there's multiple for loops used here. I believe this was done so that she or he, I'm not sure who was the one submitting it, wouldn't have to actually assign every single pixel the orange color. So I'm just going to, again, debug, the code works, and then upload it to the charm. And then here is our orange. Nice. So let's see. I'm just going to pick out a third one, and I thought the third one would be nice to be an animation. So there we are. Right here, I see. Well, this is an advanced one. So there's quite a few concepts that we've touched upon today that are being used. There's animation, clearly, we could see that. Then there's colors defined at the top. So what you see from rows 3 to 8, those are RGB values assigned to actually, and through 11 to variables. Then there is multiple function definitions. And then at the bottom of the code from line 60 to 69, what you see is the functions being called and multiple frames added. So that's how it becomes an animation. Let's debug the code. upload it, and then I will actually also preview it in the app so you can see the charm and the animation on the preview next to each other. Awesome job. Okay, so I'm also just as curious to you to start with the voting. So if you are in a competition channel, I am right now. Actually, I'm gonna join from my phone so you can see that as well. You can see the submissions being posted in the channel, and then in a few minutes we will open up the voting. But before we do that, I am going to actually announce one of the winners that our team picked. And actually, I'll ask our team to announce that because she was the one who proposed and suggested this one. So come on up here and hi.
Hello.
Wow, we have so much sun in this office right now. I can make it a bit darker. Wait 1 second.
All right.
Didn't help so much. Okay,
then maybe I can stand here.
Yeah, perfect.
Yes.
Okay, sorry.
Alright.
I'm like,
So,
do you want to tell us which was your favorite?
I thought the one with the tree where the leaves fell down in different seasons, I think.
Okay.
It was really cool. I think it was Aurora who did it.
So what I'm going to do, I disconnected my phone now so we can transition over. I'm going to try to find that coding project actually and pull it up. But meanwhile, maybe you can tell us a bit about how your experience has been this IGEday.
It's been really cool. I've been uploading all these type of codes on through imagiLabs app and uploaded it here. It's been so much fun.
I'm glad. Okay. And what stood out for you in this coding project?
Pardon?
What stood out for you in the coding project that we're picking, which I'm going to have up in a second, sorry.
In the winners I liked how she had or someone Aurora
Yes.
had done the leaf kind of that it fell down and then it changed the color to like green, brown, and orange and yellow. Yeah, it was cute.
Nice. Awesome. Okay. I'm just still looking for it.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, maybe I forgot to upload it.
Maybe. No, it's okay. I can find it on Discord.
Oh yeah, I can't upload
What?
videos
on Discord. That's okay.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do, sorry, I found the code. I just copied it and then hopefully in a moment I'll be able to pull it up.
I mean, I think all of them
there it is.
Really good. But
That's true.
It's been so hard to choose one.
Okay, there we are.
That one.
Awesome.
Okay, so can they see?
Yes. So you will have the honors of showing it.
So, do you see anything? So it's like this, and changes color after season. I think.
Is it better now?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah,
I think so. Awesome. And I actually also put the code back up. I think we could maybe then check out how it works. Oh, now we just froze. Great. Okay, we're back.
So no.
Okay. Yes. So here's the code. It's quite complex actually. There's lots of comments in Swedish in it, so I really appreciate there has been, again, defining functions, using comments, for loops, many custom colors, different browns, and actually even using if statements, which we did not cover today, but
wow.
So this was a really advanced one. So awesome.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right. So what will the person get?
Yes, exactly. So Aurora is getting actually one of our tote bags, or here, I'm going to show. If she prefers, there's also these cool t-shirts, and I'm going to show the back of it. So wait, can you see?
Wait, yeah, like this.
Yeah, cool. So that's the prize. Either the tote bag, which has the same pattern, or the T-shirt.
Okay, where can the person, write in Discord or?
Yes, so we will be chatting on Discord to find out where we have to ship all the prizes for our winners. Speaking of, before we start the voting, we can also just discuss what should people do if they want to keep engaged with Womengineer and imagiLabs. So we will keep the Discord open, so we can have questions flowing in there. And from imagiLabs side, we made a channel which is imagiLabs update. So if you want to get updates about the Android app coming out and the iOS app coming out and getting the Imagi charm, you can use Discord. From our end, also sign up for our newsletter and follow our Instagram for updates.
And you can also follow Womengineer or IGEday at Instagram and DM us any questions you have. Yes, awesome. And don't forget to go into womengineer.com, our website, to read more about engineering and the interviews and our blogs and so on.
Yes, cool. Okay, awesome. So now I am just going to check if we are ready to. Oh, I see we have started voting. Have we? So it seems. Okay, so this is what's going to happen now. You can head to the competition channel, and if you want a project to be the audience winner, don't forget, you don't just put any emoji to it, but you have to put the IGEday emoji. How do you find the IGEday emoji? So there is custom emojis on Discord. So you can either write colon and then IGEday, or you can just search among the emojis and find the IGEday emoji. If you don't know what that is, you see in the upper right corner here on the video, that's the IGEday icon. So you should look for that emoji and vote for your favorite with it. Okay. So I'm just going to go offline for a few minutes, and during this time, you're able to vote, and then we'll be back with announcing the winner. So thank you very much. We'll be back in a few minutes.